Good morning, dear students. In this video lecture, I will try to complete this chapter, negative numbers and integers. In video lecture 1, I have given the introduction of the negative numbers and the integers, and I have solved few questions based on exercise A, that is 3A. Then in second lecture, I have discussed about exercise B and C, and here I hope I will be able to complete exercise D, E, F. Now in D, exercise D, what we are supposed to do is, we have to see the multiplication of negative numbers. In exercise E, we have to see the division of negative numbers, and in exercise F, we have to see the BODMAS rules applied in case of negative numbers and how we are going to simplify. Now, in case of the multiplication, right? Multiplication we have to see. We all know multiplication of like 3 multiplied with 4 will always be equal to 12. Or if I say I am having 3 minus 3 multiplied by 4, then what is the answer? 3 4s are 12. Product will be same, but sign will come here. That means minus sign. Now if I have 3 multiplied with minus 4, then 3 4s are 12, then minus sign. If I have both the terms as negative, then what we are going to get? Again we are going to get plus 12. No, so what conclusion, what inference did we get from here? When we are having same sign, positive 3, positive 4, answer will be positive. When we have same negative signs, then also the answer will be positive. When we have same sign, answer is positive. When we have same sign, answer is positive. When we have opposite sign, we have negative. When we have opposite sign, we have negative. Like in case of addition, I have told you, in case of addition, just to recall, addition, I have told you, like plus 4 plus 3 will be equal to 7, minus 4 plus 3, opposite sign means subtraction, and sign of the minus, because of the 4 is greater magnitude, 4 is having greater magnitude, so minus 1. If I have 4 plus of minus 3, again opposite sign, because 4 I will write like this, plus into minus, minus 3, opposite sign, so it will be minus, negative only, but subtraction, and the sign will be of greater number, that is plus 1. If you write plus 1, it is good. If you don't write, then also it is good. Generally we don't write plus sign, x, only we write negative signs. Now if I have minus 4 plus of minus 3, then what we are going to do? First we will break plus into minus, minus 3, then same sign, number are having same signs, same symbols, minus, minus, so I will add, and the sign of the negative. So same sign means positive, same sign means negative. Here addition will take place, here subtraction will take place. Here same sign means multiplication. Obviously in all the cases you have to multiply, but the sign will be positive, same sign positive, opposite sign negative, opposite sign negative. Now if you have any number like minus 3 multiplied with 0, the answer will always be equal to 0. Why? Because any number multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. Correct? Any number multiplied with 0 is always 0. So whatever numbers you are having in your exercise, you see, they will be saying multiply the following, solve the following, or simplify, like they will say minus 3 multiplied by 4 bracket 7. Now according to BODMAS rule, what it says that we have to multiply the, first we have to solve the bracket part. 4 into 3, 12, minus 12, and then here we are having 7. This bracket means actually it is multiplication. So 12 sevens are 84, and then sign of negative because of opposite sign. If we write 7, 7 for an example, bracket into bracket, that means it is multiplication actually. It is written as 7 into 7 or 7 bracket 7. So this will be 49, this will also be equal to 49. If I write minus 7 multiplied with minus 4, then multiplication, two numbers are separated by bracket, so we have to multiply 28. Same sign, so positive symbol. Same sign, positive symbol. So in this way we have to solve. And there will be like a comparison also. 7 into 4 or 3 into 9. Which one is greater? You have to compare. Then you have to see 28. This is 27. 9 3s are 27. And obviously you know that positive number is always greater than negative number, whatever may be the size of the negative number. Here we are having negative number, so whatever may be the size, whichever number, it is like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, and in front of that minus sign is given, then it will be smaller than 1 also, it will be smaller than 0. So here the symbol will come like this. So I hope it is clear. Multiplication is very easy as compared to the other problems. Now this is the case of multiplication. Now I will be solving division. Division. Now in case of division, same thing. If I have 4 divided by 3, let us take whole number, even number. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. If I have minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2. If I have 4 divided by minus 2, again minus 2. If I have minus 4 divided by minus 2, again 2. Now same thing, same sign, positive number. Same sign, plus 4 plus 2, positive number. Same sign, positive number. Same sign, positive number. Opposite sign, negative. Opposite sign, negative. Same concept is here. Now the other concept is when we multiply anything with 0 is 0. But here if we divide anything with 0, like 12 divided by 0 is meaningless. Is meaningless. It does not have any meaning in mathematics. It does not have any number divided by 0 means meaningless. The answer is not defined. You cannot state the answer. So wherever you say 12 divided by 0, the answer will be meaningless. And it's just opposite of this will be like 0 divided by 12. Then answer will always be 0. So when we multiply with 0, you will get 0. When we divide by 0, meaningless. When 0 is divided by any other number, the answer will always be 0. So this is what you have to keep in mind. This is important point that most of the students generally forget. That when you divide 0 by 12, answer 0, 12 by 0, meaningless. And then minus 3 into 0, 0. Okay. So in this way you are going to solve. If you have like minus 18 divided by 6, so answer will be minus 18 by 6 is equal to minus 3. Because of this, or here we are having minus, here we are having positive. So answer will be in negative only. If I have 18 by minus 6, then it will be minus 3. Now one more thing I want to make it clear, my dear students, that if I write minus 7 by 2, okay, minus is outside this line, this will be equal to minus 7 by 2. This is also equal to minus 7 by 2. Understood? There is no difference. Minus outside, 7 by 2 here. That means this number is equal to minus 7 on this floor only. I wrote on this floor and divided by 2. This is also equal to same. If I write minus 2, sorry, not here, it will be here, minus 2. Okay, here I am writing plus. So these all three are same. They represent same numbers. But this one is called as standard form. This one is called as standard form, SF. These are non-standard forms. I hope with this idea of multiplication and division, you all will be able to solve the remaining problems of exercise D and E. And in F, you know, all of you know, I think, BODMAS rule. Okay, BODMAS rule says that first we have to solve the parenthesis. First, then we have to solve this. Then we have to solve this. And before this, if you are having bar, then that bar also you have to solve bar, small, this. Then we are having multi-division of, then we will do division, then we will do multiplication, addition and subtraction. I hope all these things you all have studied in your lower classes. Now still I will solve one sum, like I am having 4 plus 2 minus 3 bracket minus 7 close into 2. Suppose like this I have number. So for bar we have to solve. 4 plus 2 is 6. Bracket will remain as it is. No need of changing the bracket. Now minus 7. Then into 2. Now this thing we have solved first. Then we will subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now this 3 is over. No need of doing. No bracket will be left here. So 3 minus 7. Curly bracket. Then into 2. Then square bracket. So this 3 minus 7 is minus 4. This bracket work is over. Into 2. Then this came. So it will be equal to minus 8. So in this way you are going to solve. You just follow the logic how you are going to solve. First bar. Then you remove this. Bar is removed. then this operation when you do, there is nothing left inside the bracket, so you will keep it outside, number will be copied and then simplified. I hope with this you all will be able to solve exercise DEF. Thank you my dear students. Keep learning and keep smiling.